Now, Delta State Governor Ifeanyi Okowa says the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic has made the adoption and implementation of a viable and sustainable healthcare financing program imperative in the country. Governor Okowa said this at the 40th Annual General Meeting and Scientific Conference of the Nigerian Association of Resident Doctors taking place at the Delta State University Teaching Hospital, Oghara. Ikenna Amechi reports.
A gathering of doctors at the Delta State University Teaching Hospital, and the first time in a long time that former governors and the incumbents are seen together in public because of their contributions to healthcare delivery in the state and country. Challenges posed by the virus pandemic are dominating among participants who believe that the gains made in Delta State should serve as model for the country.
The role you all played and are still playing in the ongoing COVID-19 global pandemic puts you at the vanguard of salvaging the human race. You remain at the front lines, risking it all to save humanity.
2020 has been a peculiar one with the global COVID-19 pandemic that rapidly and unpreparedly changed the way of doing things and brought numerous risks and challenges to the practice of medicine, especially in the poorly funded and managed health sector. We are really happy and delighted with the remarkable improvement stories from Delsuit Oghara.
I want to in particular congratulate the NAD Delsuit for being able to bring the National Secretariat here. Here is the first state hospital that is doing that.
For Governor Ifeanyi Okowa, who was at the forefront of the national health art when he served as senator, it is time to further upscale healthcare delivery and financing in the 36 states of the country, as the global health crisis has revealed a lot of gaps in the healthcare infrastructure and finance.
Although 36 states and the Federal Capital Territory have passed the law for the implementation of universal health coverage, it is fair to say that capital inadequacy is at the core of the low level of implementation across all.
The Delta State Governor, who stated that his administration had agreed to fund 80% of training requirements in the residency training art, was awarded an ambassador for state health tertiary institutions in recognition for his outstanding contributions. Ikenna Amechi, TVC News, Oghara, Delta State.